Hello and welcome to another update video about Rune. On the Rune chart, I'm tracking currently a still ongoing correction and a still unfolding correction, and it is possible that we are now in the last downward wave. Okay, so it is something that obviously a lot of other coins are doing as well. They could have topped in their relevant corrective wave 4s and one more low could happen. That's here what I'm tracking on the Rune chart as well. Here more specifically on the Rune chart, because the price never reached the support region for this wave 2 pullback. I'm considering two wave counts here. Does the price need one more low? No, but it would be just ideal for a clear downward pattern. But yeah, it doesn't need one more low, right? It doesn't need it really. But if we consider that this here could have been wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, okay, and then in the red count, a wave down of wave 4, overshooting B wave, and then a C wave down. This C wave, as highlighted in red, ideally gets 5 downward waves, unless it's a WXY, but ideally we get 5 downward waves. So far, I can only identify a 1, 2, 3. This could have been 4. We have not even broken above resistance. We haven't even reached a 38.2 retracement. So that could easily be a wave 4. We could now be in the wave 5 to the downside. Just don't be surprised if we have 5 downward waves. It could be the C wave to the downside of wave 4. And then we could still get another wave 5 to the upside. Yeah, so that's, but I would like to see this correction in wave 4 in the red scenario completed after one more low, in which the price might reach $4.14. Or, and that's another area to watch, we identified that one in previous videos, there's an additional area of interest if the price breaks below $4.14. Here around $3.16 to $2.82 is an additional area of interest where the price might find support in case of another low. All I want to share with you in this video is don't be surprised if there is another low. Does it need it? No, not necessarily. There's a trend line, by the way, you can use as well. If the price breaks above that trend line, that would be a good indication that we possibly have bottomed, yeah. Because in the yellow count, we have 3 waves down. So it is possible that we have already completed a 5-wave advance here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The problem is this would only be a diagonal, and we could now be in a wave 2 pullback. I have to say though, it's 3 waves down. I mean, it could complete here, right? But even here, I can make the case for another low. For example, let me show you how. We could say this was a wave A, B, C. The thing is why also another low seems likely even in the yellow count, and you can count that as a 3-wave move as well, if the C wave is an ending diagonal, is because the wave 2 never reached the $4.14 level. It never reached this support zone. So, and then this would be a 1, a 2, a 3. This would be a 4. High compared to the where the wave 2 ended and the 3 finished, but possible in a diagonal, and then wave 5 down. So that's sort of the micro count in the yellow C wave of wave 2. Both valid, both possible. The red one would look better. What I want to share, if we get one more low, it could be the last one. And it could reach 4.14 next, and a sustained break above the trend line could be an indication that the next upward wave has started. That's my update about Rune. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, and please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.